What is going on, guys? This is Paradox IP, and welcome to the fourth video in the series Java programming tutorials for beginners. And today I'll be showing you guys how to take user input so that user can interact with the program. And here I've created a new class called user input. So there are several ways in which you can take the user input, but the most common one is using predefined class called scanner. So in this video I'll be teaching you to use scanner class to take the user input. So without wasting much time, let's go ahead and write some code. So firstly, we obviously have to create our main method, public static void main string args. Yeah, there we go. And then we want to create an instance of scanner class, and so I'm just gonna call it scanner scan equals new scanner system.n, and there we go. And notice that there's this red wavy line underneath, and there when we go over there it says scanner cannot be resolved. It's because we didn't import scanner. We have to import it. So it's just one line statement, import java can type today .util. You have to import this package, and that should take care of the red line underneath. Now we don't have any errors, it's just a warning, we can ignore that thing. And you guys don't have to worry about this. You have to use the same line code every time whenever you wanna like use the take the user input. And this is a variable, so you can name it anything like scan or sc or whatever you prefer. I'm just gonna name it scan because that looks good to me. So without wasting much time, let's go ahead and write a printout statement. Now there are several ways to write a printout statement. You can take your time and write it out manually. System.out.print ln. There's a way more efficient way, which is just type SYSL and control enter. Oh wait, that didn't work out as I thought. Let's try it again. Try it out again. It should be SYSLUT, and then press control and enter. And there we go. Boom. So what we want in the print line statement is, let's say, enter your name, something like that. And then we need a string variable to store the name. So let's go ahead and create a new string called name, and it should be equal to scan, which is the variable which we created and initialized above, and next line. So what next line does is it takes the user input and it just converts it into string and store it in the variable right there. There are several other methods also, which I'll show you guys later, but next line is for strings. You can also use next, which only like takes one word, but I think if the user wants to put like both first and last name, so let's go ahead and stick with next line only. And then let's say enter your age. And now age is obviously gonna be an integer, so let's go ahead and create a new integer variable called age, and this should be equal to scan dot next int. See, it's scan dot next line for strings and scan dot next int for integers. For double, it's scan dot next double, and so on. So now we have like created the program to take the input and store it into the variable, and now if we run our program, it should load. It's gonna take some time to load because my computer is freaking slow. There we go. Let me zoom it a little bit. Enter your name. Let's say I'm just gonna type Paradox AP. Enter your age. Let's start. Let's say I don't know my age. 100. How does that sound? So it takes the input and stores its variable, but it doesn't do anything beyond that, and so that doesn't look good to me. So what I'm gonna do is write a print line statement to print out name and age. So let's go ahead and do that. System.out.println and name equals plus name plus age equals age. Don't forget the plus sign over there, and that looks good. And notice that the user input is on the next line. It's cause we use the print line statement. We can just use print and then do sys out. That does makes it look better. Just prefer it like that. See how that looks. So enter your name. Now when we enter our name, see how it's on the same line? And age, let's say 100 again. Well, the age didn't work out, but whatever. So name Paradox AP age 100. You didn't miss out space. Let's say \t. That's a shorthand for like 8 spaces. Let's try that again. Paradox AP 100. Name Paradox AP 800. So that is it for the user input tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and please like, subscribe, and share if you want to catch some more future videos. And thanks for watching. And as always, you can send me $1,000,000 in the email if you want. And I'll see you guys later.